what's up everybody, I'm Mars here, and today we have the brand new 2022 Atlas Cross Sport. And then for a few guys that doesn't know what a Cross Sport actually is, it's an Atlas without a third row seat. So it's an Atlas that somebody put it in a washer, dried it for about 30 minutes, and it comes up with that. I'm gonna be reviewing it like usual. We're gonna take a look at the outside. After that, we're gonna move into the inside, and after that, we're gonna take this baby for a drive. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you subscribe right now and leave a like to support your boy. Let's go ahead and start our video. Alright, so let's go ahead and start talking about this car from the front. If you know the car really well, then you're gonna notice it's a little bit less headroom than a regular Atlas. But other than that, it's a regular Atlas. From the front, I love the headlights. The Atlas headlights are just absolutely amazing. It has standard LED headlights with this LED day running light. And I love the way they blend into the chrome grille in the front. That is just amazing. And it has these 3 chrome lines in the middle of the grille, and the rest is just blacked out. It just adds a character to the car, so it looks more sporty. In this color, it is the pure gray, and I think it goes well with the blacked out lines, blacked out vents over here. By the way, this is our real vents. You're gonna have sensors up in the front, and ladies and gentlemen, this is how it looks like from this side. Now you started noticing the differences between this one and a regular Atlas. A regular Atlas would just go straight all the way to the back. It's 5.2 inches shorter than a regular Atlas, but the wheelbase is still gonna be the same thing. I love that 20-inch blacked out wheels. It just blend in with this pure gray color. I think it just adds up to the sportiness of this car. You got body painted mirrors, and over here a chrome sign that says Cross Sport, a chrome line in the bottom, black line on the top, and of course silver roof rails. Let's take a look at it one more time from the side. It's just so cool, you guys. So this version right now, it is gonna be the SE with tech, meaning it's gonna have most of the safety features with the less price. For example, it has a hands-free opening, and it has the leatherette interior, wireless chargers, backup camera with traffic alerts and whatnot. So when it comes to the engine, you got 2 choices. You can either get the 4-cylinder or the 6-cylinder. This particular one right here has a 3.6 liter V6 engine that produces up to 276 horsepower, 266 pound-feet of torque. And not only this, it has the towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Right now, let's go ahead and talk about it from the back. And I love how it looks from the back. Some people think it looks a little bit weird. I think it looks pretty cool. It really is up to you. And it is a 4Motion, so that particular one right here is an all-wheel drive. And in the back, you have LED tail lights, all-wheel drive, chrome line over here that says an Atlas with the VW logo, and it says SEV6. You're gonna have back sensors, and of course it has a touch-free opening or hands-free opening. If you have the key in your pocket, all you gotta do is literally come in here and kick it, and it will open. Kick it right there. That's a hands-free opening. Sometimes it works the first time, sometimes you just need to hit the right spot, if you know what I mean. That just sounded a little bit dirty. Sorry guys. Anyway, yeah, this is the space that you have. One benefit of this car is the trunk is wider than the regular Atlas trunk. You have your privacy cover over here, and you still have a really good amount of space. And let's not forget that you can actually fold the seats all the way down for more space if you want to, which is huge. And it comes with roadside assistance kit, and it comes with this organizer in the back, and of course with 2 extra mats, and this mat is going to be for protection. And underneath, you're going to have your tire equipment with a spare tire as well. You're going to have a couple of hooks in this car and a 12V charger. There's the light over here, and it is a really good amount of space. Now let me show you how the space would look like if you fold your seats all the way down. And to do so, really simple. It's not from here like a Tiguan. It's actually located over here. Just do this, the seat will go down, Boom, let me show you the space. There it is. More space for you guys. It has a power tailgate as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take it to the inside. Here it is. You open the door. You have soft touch over here with this 3 lines designed on the door panel. Big space here with the cup holders. It has a really nice and soft leatherette seats. With this new design, I only saw this on a cross sport. The space in this car is amazing. You can actually recline your seats all the way to the back. So let's go ahead and check out the space. It's really quiet first and foremost, and I still have a really good amount of headroom and legroom in this car. 3 people can sit in the car, no problem. You have cup holders in the back. Of course, it's still brand new. Oh, I love that. Right over here, you have LED reading lights over here, and you're gonna have your air vents right over here. 2 USB-C chargers with a 12V charger. You're gonna have seating pockets and a really comfortable and good sitting position. Now with the SE with Tech, you can have an optional sunroof, panoramic sunroof that opens all the way here, but in this particular one, it just didn't came with it. You guys ready? You want to see the front? Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Here we are. You're gonna have kind of fake wood design over here. This plastic is not real wood, but I love that they add that in here. Same stitching on the door from the back. You're gonna have your mirrors control, window controls, and lock and unlock doors. And this is if you want to open the trunk from here. It says Atlas on a rubbery mat over here, and it has powered seats on the driver's side. I really love the seats. They are so nice, soft, and comfortable. Let's go ahead and take a seat. And as soon as you get into the car, it says Volkswagen here welcoming you. It has a digital cockpit. And let's go ahead and turn the car on. Your lights over here, same Atlas steering wheel, which is absolutely amazing. I really love the Volkswagen steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control, and here the menu buttons are over here. Infotainment system is going to be right here, same exact thing as the other Atlases are out there. It's going to be a touch screen, and it's just responding really good. Of course, it has the sensor. You don't even have to touch the screen, which is pretty cool and surprising. You're gonna have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That's gonna be wireless connecting, of course. You're gonna have heated seats over here for both passengers, and this is your climate controls. And right over here, you're gonna have a wireless charger with 2 USB-Cs and 1 12V charger over here. This is your gear selector, same exact thing as an Atlas. It's an all-wheel drive, so it has this drive mode selector, which is off-roading, eco, normal, and sport, and of course snow mode as well. And I love the way they added this wood design that goes all the way from the door panel all the way here to the dash to the driver door, which is amazing. It's not real wood. I wish they put a real wood over here. That would have looked amazing, but yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and drive this car. One thing I forgot to mention is the camera. The backup camera in this car is absolutely amazing. So first things first, you feel really high on the road when you're in a car like this, and it just feels huge, and you can see the hood actually. And I am driving it in the eco mode. It's very quiet. When you are in eco mode, actually there's a delay. If you press it on the throttle, there's a little bit of delay. It's a very good and comfortable car. Yeah, I'm going through a lot of bumps over here, but I don't feel a thing. This is just perfect. This is a regular Atlas right here, and there's a V6 as well, and this is a cross sport. Let's go see, compare the two. I don't know if it's just me or if this one feels a little bit higher than the regular Atlas. No, I think it's just me. Let's switch the car mode to normal. Right now I'm driving in normal mode. You start hearing the engine noises, and there is more power right now. There is more power. So honestly, I really love how this car drives. I have driven the Atlas and I have driven this one, and somehow I think this one drives better than the Atlas. I don't know, there's something about the cross sport that just drives a little bit better than Atlas. The handling is really great, the steering is really light, except if you are in a sport mode, then you're gonna see a little bit heavy, but other than that, it's really amazing. It is. Let's go ahead and drive it in sport. There's some complaints about, oh, there's a lag, you know, the acceleration. You're not in sport mode, but watch in sport mode. I don't see any lag. It's taken off and it just sounds incredible. The steering is amazing. It goes exactly where you want it to go. The ride quality is just perfect. I really love that this is an all-wheel drive and it has 4 independent suspensions. Now the driving experience in this car is amazing. And I repeat myself again, this car somehow drives a little bit better than the regular Atlas. It's a really nice and comfortable car. The steering is so direct. The seats are really comfortable and really nice. The car is huge and very spacious, and of course now, because you got rid of the third row seat, now you have more space in the back. It's wider space in the back. Whether you take it for an everyday drive or you buy it to go on trips with your family, it's just gonna do both. It's actually do both really well. So guys, the video came into an end. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video really helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe down below to help me grow my YouTube channel and to see more of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys. If you have any more questions or any requests on any other car, if you want me to do a comparison between 2 different cars, please let me know. I will do my best to make that happen in this YouTube channel. We all here to learn about cars, and I'm gonna do my best to explain everything I know about the cars that I'm reviewing. If you want to add up to whatever I said, please feel free to do that in the comment section. So thank you so much guys, I really appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.